So today I'm about to show you how to use Claude to understand large code bases in GitHub. First, do not waste time copy and pasting individual code manually. Instead, open your terminal and install the official command line tool, Claude Code, by running the command npm ig at anthropic AI Claude Code. Once installed, use your terminal to navigate inside your cloned GitHub repository directory and type Claude to initialize the secure agent workspace. Because Claude Code natively integrates with your local file system, it can instantly index your entire schema without hitting web browser character limits. Go straight to the terminal prompt and type your structural architecture question, like map out the data flow from our front-end form submission to the back-end database, and explain how the authentication middleware intercepts this specific pipeline. Pro tip: when onboarding onto a massive unfamiliar open source project, use Claude to generate a developer map. And that's it. That's how to use Claude to understand large code bases in GitHub. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.